How to buy PlayStation gift card online. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and then search PlayStation gift card. Scroll down in here as you will need to go to PlayStation's official website. Click on gift cards, which is PlayStation's website, and then scroll down. Click on buy gift cards. After you've clicked on buy gift cards, it will verify your device, and after that you will need to add a friend, or for me I'm clicking a friend, writing my friend name and my name. Click on buy a digital gift card. Select gift card design and click on select amount. After you have clicked on select amount, select the amount of gift card: $10, $25, $50, also the quantity. After that, click on add a message. Then add your message. Click on who is it for. Then it will lead you to this page. You can send it by email or get a link to share. Add your friend's email or your email and then delivery date and press on add to cart. After that, click on checkout. After you click on checkout, simply select your card, which is what kind of payment you want, and then click on place my order. After your payment has received and you're good to go. This is how to buy PlayStation gift card online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.